Hello, my name is David Felipe Toro Cuervo. I'm studying multimedia engineering at UNAD University. This video is about developing task number 2 for the subject Introduction of Multimedia Engineering. Here we talk about the project Conservation of Environmental Resources teaching process on the rational use and conservation of environmental resources in a general population. In addition, we based the project on design thinking method. The project was developed on the website Scratch, where I create a game with focus on teaching some topics of conservation of environmental resources. The topics that we treat are recycling, reforestation, animal conservation, climate change, water conservation, and renewable energy. Based on design thinking, I developed the project in 4 steps. The first is empathize. Here, I identify the public that play this game, the society where this game will be released, the access and distribution, and finally the strategy that I apply to engage the people in the game. The public will be children about 8 to 12 years. The app is Scratch. The strategy is to create a short game with a story that allows us to identify topics about conservation of environmental resources easier. The second step is define. The main topic to solve with this project is students need a fun and interactive way to learn about waste separation so they can adopt responsible habits in their daily lives. The third step is ideate. The game is built in Scratch with decision-making puzzles focused on conserving natural resources. Players control main a character who progresses through narrative-driven scenarios, making the right choices to protect their world. Each level represents a different ecosystem where players use available tools to apply conservation strategies. Correct decisions unlock rewards and history progression, while mistakes create obstacles and force retries, enhancing both engagement and learning. The fourth step is prototype. We develop the game on Scratch by iterating assets, dynamics, scenarios, sounds, and transitions. Assets were sourced from both the Scratch platform and external PNG files, while scenario backgrounds were generated with AI to ensure consistency and coherence across the game's environment. Now we can see the game in action. Let me share the other screen. Okay, here we have the game. In this panel we have the code where we program the different switching between the scenarios, the movement for the main assets and sounds, and we use 6 stages where we are working with the main character. And now here we have the 4 main assets: the main character, the NPC character, trash, what is items that we have to drop in the stages, and create these trees. Now we can see how work this game. Let's start with where is my name? I put David. Now here it starts to say the history. The first scenario is a river is contaminated for many garbage that appear in the screen on the screen, and we need to remove that. Only click on each one, and when you complete this, the river is cleaned, and after that we move to other scenario where the scenario is so polluted, and we need to create trees to clean and create many trees to save the farm. We need to press space, and where we have the click, the mouse, the pointer, we create a tree. This takes some seconds for because the trees have many time for growth. Is part of the learning. And finally, we save the farm, and our character is happy for this. That's the game in a quickly uh, view. Okay, return to the slides. What is the conclusion for this work? Developing this activity in Scratch was a lot of fun, as the tool allows to simulate in a very friendly environment, develop a design game, scenarios, sprite, transitions, and assets functionalities, and release the final product by sharing a link, allowing others to easily play. We can share that with people through to WhatsApp and others uh, media, social medias. Design thinking is a crucial methodology that offers significant support for project development. By developing the 5 project phases, we gain a focused vision for project development and resolution. Our primary project objective should actively guide our discussions when deciding on any project path. That is macro conclusions. And thank you for watching, and goodbye.